Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the types of accounts Robinhood supports. Robinhood supports a few key types of accounts to suit different investors' needs. First, the most common is the individual taxable brokerage account. This is the standard, self-directed investment account where you can buy and sell stocks, options, and ETFs. Within this type of account, you generally have a choice between a cash account or a margin account. A cash account requires you to pay in full for all securities you purchase, while a margin account allows you to borrow money from Robinhood to purchase investments, which increases your buying power but also comes with higher risk and interest charges. Beyond the individual accounts, Robinhood also supports joint brokerage accounts. These accounts are owned by 2 or more people, allowing co-investing with shared access and control. For retirement savings, Robinhood offers individual retirement accounts, or IRAs. They currently support both traditional IRAs and Roth IRAs, which provide tax advantages for long-term savings. Finally, Robinhood also offers managed accounts through its Robinhood Strategies product. These accounts, which can be an individual account, a traditional IRA, or a Roth IRA, are managed by Robinhood Strategies based on your investment goals and risk tolerance. So, in summary, Robinhood offers individual taxable brokerage accounts, available as cash or margin; joint brokerage accounts; traditional and Roth IRAs for retirement; managed accounts through Robinhood Strategies. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.